today when the matter came up, two things happened. There was supposed to be names given by the petitioner as well as the state government for filling up the post of committee which is called as noise monitoring committee. We have given two names, and two names have been given by the private petitioner. As far as those names given by the private petitioner are concerned, other respondents also do not agree with those names. So state has given two names. Those names have to be considered by those private respondents, and thereafter the court will take a call on it. There is one more direction that the court has issued. As far as Anjuna is concerned, there were some 22 establishments which are supposed to have breached the sound deadlines and the sound levels. As far as those establishments were concerned, the police were supposed to find out their CCTV recordings for the month of December. The police have found that as far as these establishments are concerned, these CCTV footages are not available because according to those parties, those recordings have been overwriting, in the sense that they don't exist now in their system. So the court has directed the SP not to find out actually what can be done as far as this aspect is concerned, whether it is possible to retrieve these recordings in this establishment. Further, whether the stand which is taken by the police officer there as to the non-availability of this recording is concerned, the SP North is supposed to file an affidavit and explain it to the court. The matter is now fixed on Wednesday, coming Wednesday, for further hearing. Whether it is possible to retrieve all those recordings from some system, whether it can be retrieved from the hardware or some other way is there to find out about this recording, that is what the SP is supposed to report to the court.